Hello everyone, this is Nalini. Welcome to another new episode. So, do you feel often that whenever you are chatting with any person, it can be friend, family, or colleague, or anyone, so when you are chatting and you are a good listener, when the other person is talking, you listen carefully, you are actively listening, but when your turn comes, when you start talking, the other person is not paying that much attention and you feel that you are ignored or neglected. So if that is the case, then today you have to listen to this episode till the end. So today I am addressing this situation. So we'll take this situation, and there is this situation where you are listening to this person. When you start talking, when it comes to your turn, this person does not listen. They seem to be distracted, doesn't pay attention to what you are talking. You are not a whining type. You are not that kind. And you want to have a genuine conversation here. You want to share something which is very genuine and sincere. But the other person is not listening to you. What should we do if we face such situations? People don't listen because of the following reasons. So first one, it can be intentional. So they don't want to listen to you, they are not interested. Because of this, you will get hurt. It's best you keep away from such people. Maintain cordial relationship. For practical reasons only, interact as much as needed. If they are not important in your life, then avoid such people, so that you can protect yourself. So the second reason is it can be unintentional. So this second also, it can be for two reasons. A, they don't realize that they are not listening to you, and B, people who don't have same taste and interest as yours. So let's take A. So in this reason, they don't realize that they are not listening to you. This happens when people are too talkative. They just talk and don't have the habit of listening. In this situation, you can politely interrupt them and say, please listen to what I am saying, and keep reminding them few times, because habit goes, it takes some time. It is difficult to change the habit. Even after many times, if they don't pay attention to your request, then you decide whether to get hurt and continue talking or reduce talking to them. So it's up to you. Then the second reason, where people are unintentionally not listening, and here the reason being people who don't have same taste and interests as yours. Yours and other person's wavelength doesn't match. In this case, you talk only those topics which interest both. So you be specific and choosy, and you be conscious of what you talk to other person. If you don't have same taste, then see and think what are the common things. So you talk about those only. If you don't have any common interest, then maintain the talking to only the needful and whatever is okay. Whatever may be the reason for not listening, so you can do the following to protect yourself from hurt. So you saw that you heard that what may be the reasons. Whatever may be the reasons for the other person not listening to you, then you can protect yourself. You can take some actions so that you can avoid this hurt. Okay. So now I'll share with you how you can protect yourself. Remember, it is your choice whether you want to be a victim or take the ownership. That is first one. Second, stop expecting from that person. Stop expecting that person will hear you and listen to you. Third, accept the situation. Fourth, you have other like-minded people, go talk to them. Fifth, learn to be independent. Do not depend on others. Yes, it is difficult to practice these tips. So yet they are possible to implement. I feel that you can follow these simple tips and avoid hurting yourself. Remember, you are the one who is getting hurt and feeling neglected. So it is wise to change the way you see things. You cannot change others, change yourself, your perception, and your attitude. Automatically, your behavior also changes. How you respond also changes. Be responsible for your life. So be self reliant and realize that self worth, your self worth, and be self confident and don't depend unnecessarily upon others. So be self reliant and be responsible, be the change you want to see in others. So guys, this is the end of the episode. I hope it will help you in some way or the other, and so take care of yourself and also give me feedback. How did you find this episode or other previous episodes also? And as you have observed, so now I am uploading every other week, fortnight one, like if every second week I am uploading one episode. That is, in a month I'll upload 2 episodes. Gradually, maybe in future I may upload 1 episode per week, but right now it is for 2 weeks 1 episode I am uploading. So please share your feedback, and my Facebook page Nalini's Voice. You can also share in my YouTube channel in the comment section. So I would love to hear from you and read your comments. So see you next time in the next new episode with another interesting topic. So till then, please take care of yourself. Tata, bye bye.